Hello, uh, today let's go try to navigate through or get familiar with Packet Tracer. Yeah. So this session, uh, we're going to try our level best to see how to navigate or how to use the virtual environment using Packet Tracer. So what is on the screen right now is Packet Tracer. It looks like. So the main goal is just to actually get to know where to click, where to go if you want to enjoy using Packet Tracer. So this is the main area where we shall actually be pressing whichever equipment or component that we need to use in the network or in the network in the environment of network. So I will just start with this. As you can see, these are the tabs, and then these are the tools to use all these. So we shall actually be tackling one at a time. That is in case we need it or we need those tools. Mainly here, as you once you open Packet Tracer, this is what is selected by default. These are network devices. So even in the network devices, they are categorized. As you can see, we have this is router. As you can see, the one that is selected router. So once you click on router, then all these are different models of the routers. We have switch. These are different types of switch. We have hubs. These are different types of hubs. We have wireless access points. All these. Then we have security, and then one emulation. Then we have what we call end device. Now with end device, we have PCs and blah blah. All these are end devices. Then we have what you call the connections as of now. So far, those are the areas that you're going to use. Then the connection, the cables. So on the network, we have the network component, three categories of network components. One, we have what you call intermediate devices. In intermediate devices, we have routers, switches. In routers, switches, we have access points. We have the security DIY. We have the firewalls. All right. And then we have end devices. All these are end devices, the source and destination of information. Very important because it's what the end devices that are used to access the network. And then intermediary device, so the connection, network media, to interconnect network components or network devices. We start with the routers. For example, if you want on the router, you just click on the network device and then you select among these devices. So mostly we shall be using 1941, which is this. By click, you just click, press it wherever you want. If you want the second device, you click there again, you do the same. But we have this other technique, the shortcut where you press and hold control. You press and hold control and then you pick the device. So once now I've picked, now I have so many copies that I need there. Endless copies, as you can see. So in case let's say I want to delete this, I don't need all these. I will just simply come to this tool here, as you can see, delete. Or if I want to deselect, as you can see, I have a plus, meaning that I still have a copy. I'm going to press escape button on the keyboard, or I can use this tool here. Once I click, then I've deselected. Then now, if I want to delete, I will just come to this, as you can see, this delete tool, but there is a shortcut. There is a shortcut that one can use. Shortcut one can use to actually to delete, which is delete button on the keyboard. So I'll tap on it and then click. Meaning that with this dialog here, you cannot delete a device accidentally. So every time you tap on it, are you sure? Yes. Then it goes away. Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? Yes. Or now deactivating the action, so like this, so that it disappear, and then I highlight all this. I don't need all of them. Or maybe if I want to rearrange, you drag, rearranging. I don't know whether I have the first one. Yes, it's here, this. So I will just remain with one. Just remain with one. All these I'm going to delete them by highlighting them and then go to option delete. As you can see, do you want to delete the 27 selected item? Yes, delete. All of them have disappeared. Then go to the switch. Do the same. You can pick one at a time, as you can see. Drag, pick, then press it wherever you want. So I'll just press Control and hold and then pick the device, which is 2960. As you can see, all this. This. Is it possible to locate the one that, yes, it is here. So how am I actually able to tell the switch? They are numbered. They are given IDs. As you can see, this is a 0. This is 11. This is 5. This is 12. This is 6. Like that. This is 13. This is 4. This is 2. As you can see, still you can rearrange. This is 1, 0, 1. All this. So now I want to select all these, delete them by highlighting like this and then delete. Go to this option, delete. Yes. We are, so far we have a switch, a router, and then we have even other devices. As you can see, we have what we call a layer 3. Because this is a layer 2, then we have what you call a layer 3. A layer 3, it looks like this, as you can see. It's multi-layer. This is a multi-layer switch. Multi-layer, it means that it runs on. Anyway, that is what we're going to cover that for those who haven't covered chapter 2, but you say that we shall cover what we call OSI models and then the TCP model. You'll get to know what layers are. Okay, so after that we have the end devices. We can go to end devices here. You tap on it, and then after that we can actually deal with the end device. So we have a PC, we have laptop, we have the server, we have a printer, and so so many others. Just to mention a few. These, as you can see, these are our devices. This here. This. So these are our end devices. We can actually try to connect and have the what we call the peer-to-peer, connect two devices. How? You go to the end devices. Now all these are different types of cables, but we're not going to be using all of them. The cables that you're going to use in this course, it's console cable, which is this. Before you click or before you pick a cable, point at it so that you get to know how it is named or how it is called. So this is a console, because once you point on it, then the name it comes here. So this is our console. As you can see, it is displayed here, the name. This is a straight through. As you can see, copper straight through. We have crossover. So those are the three cables that we shall actually be interacting with or using. So here I will just pick the crossover, this, because mostly if you want to connect the same devices together. Now this is a PC, and then this is also a PC. This is a PC, and then this is also a PC. Though this one here, it's a laptop, and then this, but all of them, they are computers. So I'll just pick a crossover. It's what you're supposed to use. Crossover, you select first Ethernet, then you connect first Ethernet into this other PC. As you can see, so the two computers are connected together. For your information, now with this, we cannot add the third computer. That now you see, now you want a server, and then you come and connect. The ports are done. It's like on your computer. Your computer, it only has, on these normal computers of ours, laptops, they only have one Ethernet port, and even others they do not have the Ethernet ports. So meaning that here we are limited. Now we can't add any other component because the available Ethernet port it is already used. If I want to connect all these computers together, then I will need a layer 3, a switch. I'll need a switch. So if I want to disconnect this, I don't need to delete. It's possible that you can delete this cable here by clicking this option tool, delete, and then you come and tap on the cable. But we don't want to use this. We want to use the normal procedure, the normal syntax. If I want to disconnect the cable, do I have to delete or I disconnect it from one end, even the other end, and then take away the cable? So I'll just come and tap on this green triangle like this. So now I still have the other end connected to the cable. It's like you disconnecting one end from the device and then the other end it is still in the device. So I'll just extend this cable to the switch, and then all these ports are the same. But we have what we call the gigabit Ethernet. The difference between gigabit Ethernet and fast Ethernet, it's in the size. The gigabit transfers 1 GB, and then fast Ethernet it transfers 100 MB per second. So all these, they're the same except the IDs. So I'll just connect in any port. But for your information, the right cable that you're supposed to use, it's straight through, which is this one here. Because this time we are connecting different devices. In the first place, we are connecting a PC with a laptop, whereby we concluded by saying that a PC, the desktop and the laptop, they're the same. So that's the reason why we use the crossover. So here, since we are connecting our PC and then an intermediate device, we have to use a straight through. I hope that is noted. Then go back, do the same on the server, as you can see. Then on this, you can use any. Go to back, you pick your straight through, then to the printer, and then the same, this, like this, this way. So all this would actually, the intention, the main goal of this session is you to get familiar with Packet Tracer, how to navigate with Packet Tracer. So we started by dragging how to pick the route, where to pick the router, where to pick the switches, where to pick the cables. That was the main, it's the main intention of this, or the main goal of this the main objective of this session. So here, please, I'm going to give out assignment, and that assignment is just to the assignment. So here is the assignment on what you're going to do. It's just to it's to pick So the assignment is to exactly redo what we're trying to, or what we actually trying to interact with. Just to, you drag, drop a router into a space, and just a router into this space. Please, this is assignment, and then you're going to drag and drop a switch, then PC, and use a PC, then a laptop, we can have a printer, the printer, we can even have the server. So I want us at least to you make sure that you pick all these devices and you interconnect all these devices. So the devices have no limit. You can try to connect as many devices as you can. As many devices as you can. So this is it so far. Let me use another application to add on the assignment. So this is what you're supposed to do. Pick the router. Have it in Packet Tracer. You can even have a switch, switch, and then connect there the PCs. So you can call it a laptop. You can have printer. You can have a server. So this is going to be a print top desktop. There is a switch, and then you interconnect. The number of end devices that you can put here, please put as many as you can. As many as you can. And if possible, you can actually have two switches connected together. Two switches connected together so that you increase on the end devices on the network. So the intention, like I said, is you to get familiar with the physical connection. Physical connection. All these should be the PCs. The PCs. So after this, you share this on WhatsApp. That is why I want this work. And that is the end of this short session.